Transitioning from legacy ERP systems can be challenging, especially for specialized manufacturers like our client. When a build-to-order machinery manufacturer faced the complexity of a legacy, heavily customized IBM AS400 system, leadership turned to the TM Group for help. Rather than recreating old processes, we advocated for fully utilizing Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central's built-in capabilities. We further streamlined operations by implementing Warehouse Insight and Shop Floor Insight for Business Central from InsightWorks. This enhanced inventory control and automated critical tasks, from cost tracking to custom detailed reporting. The successful transition delivered measurable impact: simplified system management, enhanced operational visibility, precise, automated costing, a unified data environment. Through careful change management, TMG ensured the organization smoothly adopted its new ERP, positioning the business for sustainable growth. Click the link in the video description to explore the full story.